Autopath. Autopath function can generate the cutting path automatically according to the parameters we set in advance. For example, select all these objects and go to Path and choose Autopath. In this Autopath dialog box, we can set all the parameters. Start with the offset. It can be on, outer, or inner. We choose outer here, for example. And change the direction to outer clockwise, inner counterclockwise, or outer counterclockwise, inner clockwise. To realize composition, set the cutting width according to the tool diameter and set allowance value. The allowance is the distance between the contour of the object and the cutting path. And the fit speed, moving speed, cutting or out speed can all be set separately. The cutting and cutout setting will determine how the machining tool enters the material and how it leaves the material. It can be arc or straight lines. We choose arc, for example. Other details of the cutting and cutout lines can be changed here. Short moving to cutting. Short moving to cutting means when the distance between two cutting points is shorter than the short distance value we set here. Then the two cutting points will be connected together as a coherent cutting path. And this will reduce the numbers of preheating and drilling. We set 15 here, for example. Change the cutting sequence to X direction first, Y direction first, or near first. We choose near first, for example. Click OK to generate Autopath. Here we can see the example of the short moving to cutting. These two cut-in points and these two cut-in points are connected together. The other way to set the short moving to cutting is to go to Path and choose Path Lead. In the Design Central, we can set the parameters. Here we increase the short distance to 200. Click Short Moving to Cut. We will see that all the cutting and cutout points are connected together. Click OK to finish. Now to save the path. First, to select the path, go to Path and choose Path Output. Select the post processor. The types of the post processor can be edited by ourselves. Go to Path, Post Set. We can add or delete device and set the directive, program head, program tail, coordinate, as well as the file extension. Now back to Path Output, Path and Path Output. We choose General CNC, for example. There are 3 modes: cut, drill, or draw. We choose cut. Set the origin by custom, X direction. Y direction. Or we can set the origin according to the feature point. Bottom left, bottom right, top left, and center. Choose bottom left, for example. Select location and name the file and save. And that's the end of the AutoPath tutorial. Thank you.